Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head tops. Speaking of head tops, I got my boy Hollow over here. That baldy looking real smooth, man.
Michael Jordan.
Right, never mind. Today is the next day, Saturday. It's 10 o'clock, 10 something. Don't really know, but me and Holla had agreed to run the beach today. You know what I'm saying? I wake up this morning, I'm energized, I'm ready to go. You know what I'm saying?
You ready?
Yeah, bro. I'm ready.
Let's get it.
But you
Let's get it.
All right.
I'm the one who told you about it. What you mean?
Yeah, I know, but when I said it, you was like, you.
No, I said, let me press upload on this video and we can go.
All right, so look, we about to go run the beach, and I'm not familiar with this beach at all. So I'm hoping there's no glass, cause I'm running barefoot. You know what I'm saying? I'm just go all out. But I'm hoping there's no glass. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping it's no treasure chest or running over, none of that, and it's very, very smooth. Cause y'all know I broke my foot before, so I got fragile feet. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not trying to really go down that path again. Regardless, yo, hey, look, we are like 100 subs away from 60,000. Please, if this is your first time to this channel, bro, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. 60,000 is only 100 away. I'm super excited. I'm super thankful, and we making progress. We really making progress, so thank y'all so much. The new video is up right now, by the way. The new house tour. We did like a whole MTV Cribs episode here at the new crib. Y'all wondering where I'm at right now, then go check out that video.
Hey, where'd you get the idea to do that, actually?
Well, actually, man, I might be like one of the most innovative young YouTubers out there, man. I come up with ideas like this all the time. All right, so it's official. Feet is in the sand, bro. Let me see. Is it hot? It ain't that hot, bro. I know y'all ain't come here to see my feet, but y'all watch my own foot, so it's almost the same thing. I'm excited to get this work in, though, because I always see people running in the sand, and I'll be like, yo, bro, that look low-key, you know what I'm saying? Look low-key worthy of doing. So I'm going to check this out and see what the hoopla is about. But right now, as I'm walking in the sand, it's tough just walking through here because your feet kind of sink in with it. No, we got beaches back home in Cleveland, but like they man-made, so this is like a real beach, though. So it's a little bit different. I'm gonna get extra black, and there's people out here too. There's a lot of people out here. This is the start line Holla making right here.
It's not that good, but
it's good enough, bro. It's good enough. You did good enough.
As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, I've done my running, I'm sweating and everything. My man's is still going. I ain't really built for all that. Now I did run. I'm not capping. I did run. Well, maybe I lightly jogged to his finish line, and I just sat at the finish line and watched him run back and forth. My man's did about 6 laps. He's a little tired. I think he's coming to catch his breath.
First thoughts is harder than you think. When your feet sinking in sand, boy, number one, it hurt. Number two, you gotta undig your feet, keep your legs moving. It's harder than I thought, and it's unlevel, so it's gonna take some endurance.
All right, so for the next round of sprints, we're gonna put on some butt naked Tims.
So what do you want to call it? The beach workout today? That was probably not one of my best ideas. I have been like probably dehydrated since I came back, but we back. We went to the grocery store. They over here eating good eats right now. Show them what y'all eating. What y'all eating? We got some hot wings. Today is the last day at the crib, so hopefully we do a lot more stuff. My cousin is up there sleeping for whatever reason. I say we go up there and wake him up for no reason. Come on, let's go there and wake him up. Listen, son, I don't know why you sleep, but you gotta get up, my boy. You gotta get up. Are you ready? Today is the day. Today is the day where we go on new adventures. We set new goals. We go new heights. I like this shirt.
Thank you.
And this chain.
My mama gave me this chain.
I have not showed y'all my grocery list I picked up today. All right, so first thing I picked up, okay, the sparkling Welch's grape juice, okay? It's the 4th of July. I'm about to get toe up to the flow up. I'm gonna be popping bottles all night. Matter of fact, bro, you ready?
Sniper Jones is not drinking.
This is my bottle, bro. You about to open that, cuz?
Yeah, for you. Just take that off like that.
Big Hollow, what we doing out here, Chief? You about to pop this
We about to open up Sniper Jones bottle. You know what I'm saying? You take this off. Then you just put your hand like this. You put your finger like this. And you just press a little bit.
Oh! Also, you know what I'm saying? I picked up some good eats because y'all know, man, my keto diet hasn't really been going as planned at all, actually. I've been eating everything except what I'm supposed to been eating since I've been on these last 2 vacations. So I had to get something to make it up. So we got some strawberries, some grapes. Oh. I'm putting this down. I put in my last Instagram post. If you have not seen my Instagram pic, go to Instagram. But I put on my last Instagram pic, comment the sneakers that you wearing today. So whatever sneakers you wearing on the 4th of July, comment down below. Even if you watch this a little bit later, what sneakers did you decide to bring out? Me, I decided to bring out the Off-Weezys. What did you decide to wear and why? Comment. I want to know. Let me know. What is up, everybody? As y'all can see, we finally at the house from that vacation. I had a great time. I'm not gonna lie. The 4th of July was definitely done the right way. Shout out to everybody who came through for that beach house. I had a great time. If you enjoyed the content, let me know down below. But as you can see, we home now. And when I came home to 2 packages that I want to open up ASAP. So the first package I got here, I already opened. So I was kind of nosy. I definitely didn't know like what to expect with this. So when I opened it up, Reebok has sent your boy over some face masks. So they want to make sure I'm quarantine clean. So shout out to Reebok. And it was raining very hard last night, like super hard. So when I actually got this package and I opened it up, it was drenched. But now I gave some, these joints still wet right now. These are very, very wet. So on here it says wash, dry, reuse. So these are the reusable, rewashable face masks over from Reebok. If you can see that Reebok logo right there. There we go. Let me show Reebok the proper credit. I appreciate you, Reebok. I gotta throw these in the dryer already because it was like a thunderstorm when they sent these out. So Reebok, I appreciate it, man. I definitely will be rocking those. Next up, we have the package that I have been waiting for a while now. If you follow me on Instagram and if you've been watching my channel, then you should probably already know what these are. And without a doubt, this is the biggest W I got on sneakers all year. Might be like top 5, top 10 all time when it comes to like hitting on sneakers. But let's open this up and finally see what we have. I'm excited about this one, bro. Like super excited about this one. And I couldn't find my regular knife, so I gotta use this hunting knife, bro. Like this knife cut too deep sometimes. It be ruining the boxes. It's all good, though. A lot of y'all probably already know what this is, though. I went crazy. And what's crazy is if y'all don't be watching the live cops. So like just about every big release that go up on sneakers, I do a live cop on. Some of y'all watch them, some of y'all don't watch them. For the people who do watch those live cops, it's worth it. It'd be so fun. Whether I take an L or whether I take a W like I did on this shoe, bro, it'd be hilarious. So make sure you watch the live cops if you don't already be watching them joints. But y'all see the red Nike box. And let me school y'all for a second. Shout out my guy Ford. She told me, you know what I'm saying? I learned this. The orange Nike box, like these, are more for like the sportswear, you know, like the runners and stuff like that. The red Nike boxes are more of your casual leisure shoes. And this is a red Nike box. So let me flip this over. And we have the white and university red dunks, bruh. Talk about W's, man. Like, talk about W's, bruh. Like, I hit a lot on sneakers before. I've hit on, you name it, bro. Like I've hit on the Travis Scott 1s. I've hit on Travis Scott 4s. I've hit on Bread 11s. I hit on a lot of good sneakers. I never hit for an Off-White. Actually, I hit on like the Off-White Vapor Street, but those were terrible. I hit for a lot of good shoes, bro. But this is my first dunk ever hitting on, and I didn't know if I was gonna hit or not. I was on this terrible losing streak. I probably lost like 45 raffles in a row when it comes down to sneakers, and they made it up to me when they gave me this dunk. I got the orange dunk, the Syracuse over there already. I got the Off-White green and orange over there already, the forest green, and now I can add this white and red to my collection. These, the last time I checked, are reselling for about $500 in my size, and that's the thing. I got them for my size. You know what I'm saying? Like, it'd be different if I would have got them for a size to sell, but this is my personal size, so of course I will be keeping these. Of course I will be keeping these. Come on, man. You know I'm keeping these. There's no question what I'm gonna do with these. And the leather quality, as I expected, as I said on the How to Cop, is way better than the Syracuse joints. I can just tell by the leather around the toe box. Now, if you guys want to see a full in-depth review, then make sure you stay tuned to the channel because I will be uploading that tomorrow. This was just more like an unboxing and first thought of the sneaker, but please believe I will be throwing this on foot and doing some things with these probably tomorrow. So like I said, stay tuned for that. But I'm excited, bro. I was excited when I hit. I'm excited I got these in hand. Let me grab the other one out. Gotta be one of my best purchases on Nike sneakers, bro. They do come with the spare laces, you know, the white spare laces, but it's a W. definitely a W. I know a lot of y'all went out for these. The University Red Dunks. Tell me, you know, if you went for them, tell me your story. I know a lot of y'all was telling me y'all had some glitches and some bumps and hiccups with the app, but it's all good with me, man. I'm super excited, super happy. If you guys enjoy content like this and look forward to more, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We just hit 60K and the grind is 100K by the end of the year. Let's see if we can make that happen. Also, guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Under every video will be linked down below, and I appreciate it as always. Stay tuned for the On Foot and review coming soon, maybe tomorrow or something like that. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.